I just added this div called update message. This is going to be updated by the Ajax, and then whatever our controller returns, all those 4 items. So for example, see here, the view model, right? These are the 4 items we are returning. These are going to go to Ajax, and Ajax needs the Ajax postback call. The success function of that call needs a place to throw these items. Okay, so that is what we are looking at. It's sending delete ID cart total. So cart total has to be updated. Let's go back to our view and give an ID for cart total. See, let's give it an ID so we can access it. This is going to be called cart total. There is only one item, so it's really simple. Okay, then what is the other one that's being returned? Cart total is done, message is done. Item count, let's go and give it an ID for the item count. So here he is. So this is going to be an ID, but it is also going to be a separate row every time, right? So we are going to call it as item row. And then we are going to add. So we are actually like dynamically, so this would be like 1 for record item 1. So it will be item row 1, item row 2, like that. Oh, or item row or item count. Item count 1, item count 2, like that. And remember how we said an entire row has to like disappear in case the count is 0. So we want to like set something here for that row, and then we are going to say item dot record ID. So this will be like row 1, row 2, and that also has to disappear, right? There is a row, item count. I don't know if I want to say row or record. Record item. Okay, so as long as we use the same IDs, we should be okay. So this is so when we get the message back, we are going to update the same view, but just some parts of it, okay? And let me show you what I mean. Before we go any further, we have to make sure that we add our script. So let's go to one of our, this is our script, right? That we added for some other reason before. So we can use the same file because I'm lazy to create another one. So if I go to my store manager, for example, see how we include scripts here. So oh, here. Okay, so I am in my shopping cart index view, and I'm just going to be adding a script here, the music store script. Music store script does not have anything in it, just one function right now. We are going to be adding more code to it. Okay. So we saw before to use like how to use like Ajax with MVC helpers. So Ajax helpers, we used Ajax helpers, not the actual Ajax from jQuery directly. That's what we'll be doing today. And you saw the reason why, because we can't actually use an action link and we make like a call to a post method. That's one of the reasons why we are going to be using pure jQuery now. So I just included the script now. So I'm going to be moving the script up like okay. So let's go to our script. Okay. Okay, so this is our entry point for jQuery, right? The dollar function. So I'm going to be saying anytime my remove link for now I'm just going to say alert. Okay, the reason why I'm doing this is because jQuery is really funny. You may just miss a semicolon or something, and then it'll give you error. So you don't want to write a lot of code unless you test it periodically. So I'm just going and adding an entry here so that I can test my link. So here, remove, see? This remove link, when I click on it, it says link clicked. But it's not going to take me anywhere because it is just a placeholder link there. So it came in, that's a good thing. Otherwise, you are aware how to like I said, you have to use your developer tools, Control Shift I, and you can see in the console if there are any errors.